On behalf of Prisons Department, JNK, and the academicians present here, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you. It is that a government department collaborates with academic institution. Rarer still is when such collaboration has a research orientation, and rarest of rare is it when such collaboration leads to findings which are put in the public domain, which we seek to do today. At the outset, I wish to acknowledge that it has been an honor and a privilege to work with the academicians, that is Dr. Aarti Bakshi, Professor, Head of Psychology Department, Jammu University, and Dr. Pyali Arora, Assistant Professor, Clinical Psychologist at Government College for Women, Parade. But for their outstanding professional skills and their commitment to community outreach, this project would not have been possible. I am deeply indebted to the prison team of District Jail Jammu, headed by our outstanding Superintendent Jail, Mirza Salim Beg, and all those who put in tremendous hard work along with the faculty in completing this project. Before we begin the main agenda, in a few lines I would like to highlight the achievements by the Prisons Department in Jammu and Kashmir in the last 1 year. The Mulaqat facility has been modernized across all the 14 jails. Besides having soundproofing, it allows better visual interaction, as also there are child-friendly corners. Video conferencing facility has commenced at all the 14 jails linked to the courts, which enable trial, remand, and as also the spin-off benefit of Mulaqat with their kin of inmates. To deal with COVID, a government-approved standard operating procedure is being followed. We have, as on date, that is as on yesterday, across Jammu and Kashmir, 3,628 inmates, as against a capacity of 3,234. This amounts to an occupancy rate of 112%, which means number of prisoners per 100 capacity. So it shows excess capacity by 12%, whereas the national average for occupancy is 115%. So we are still below the national average. Fortunately, there has been no case of COVID across the jails in Jammu and Kashmir, nor in any of the staff. Touch wood, we hope it continues. जो नए इनमेट आते हैं उनका कोविड टेस्ट मैंडेटरी है, और उस टेस्ट के बाद भी उनको क्वारंटाइन में रखा जाता है। आज की तारीख में 150 इनमेट्स इस तरह के क्वारंटाइन में है अक्रॉस द प्रिजन्स।